Today we'll check how to create a marketplace mobile application for your Magento 2 platform-based marketplace web store. So I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the mobile end, and I'll be showing you how the marketplace mobile app actually works from the vendor's perspective, and thereafter we'll be seeing how the admin of the multi-vendor marketplace store would be able to set up his mobile application for the marketplace from the backend panel itself. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So right now, what I'll be doing is I've attached some links within the description of this particular video, so you can check the actual website with which our mobile marketplace app is synchronized. So I'll be showing you the Android end, wherein I'll be installing the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace mobile application on my Android device. I'll provide the link for the iOS app as well, so you can check that app on your own as well. So in today's video, we'll just check the Android app. So here I'm at the mobile end, and I have an Android device right now, and I've installed the Webkul mobile app builder for the marketplace itself. So this is the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace mobile app icon that you're seeing right now. I've installed it already. You can check the user guide and the links mentioned in the description of this video to access this from the Play Store and to download the same on your Android devices. So today we'll just be checking the Android end. So let's open the app by tapping there on the app itself. So that was a splash screen. This is the home screen, and here we can skip this intro, or we can directly tap here in the next button, and now you can see the marketplace mobile app for the Magento 2 platform based marketplace store is available. This is the home page. At the top we have the categories in a carousel, then we have the featured products, as you can see, offers for you section. We have new product section as well. We have some AR based products as well. We have trending now, best offers. This is also a carousel. We have the fashion accessories. This is another carousel that we have added. Daily deals. Then we have the hot deals carousel for using the products, and the recently weighed products as well. So let me tap in the back to top. Now this app is just similar to the Magento 2 mobile app that we've already checked. I have added the link within the description below, and for the customers view you can check that up, and the backend panel configuration can also be checked from there. In today's video, we'll just check the account options that the marketplace vendors get using the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace mobile application by Webkul. So let me open the left drawer, and here you can see that I've already logged into my customer account. Let me log out. So just give me a second for that, and I'll just go to the last and log out. I'll again be redirected to the home page, as you can see. Now as a vendor, I can log into the marketplace web store by the mobile application as well, and that too on the go. On the left hand side, as you can see, we already have talked about the language, currency, and the other sections. So in this marketplace app, we have the marketplace under the other section, the privacy policy, and you can see the orders and returns as well. Now let's log into the mobile app for the vendor. So I'll just tap here in the sign in button. Here you can sign in with an email or create an account as well, or you can use the social links for your account creation. So for now, I'll be signing in with the email. I'll enter the vendor's email and the password. Tap on the sign in button. I'll go for the no for this. And now if I open the side drawer here, you can see that we have the account option, the first ones. This is the customer account option. Then we have the seller account, and here you can see we have the seller dashboard and the rest of the options that are there for the marketplace vendor. So from here, the marketplace vendor can see the dashboard, check his profile, update his profile, check the orders, create the attributes, add new products, can check the transactions that have been made by the marketplace admin, can check the list of the customers who follow him, can invoice print the template, can chat with the marketplace admin, and can ask the questions as well. Now if I go to the seller dashboard, here on the dashboard you can see the top selling categories being displayed. We have the sales graph, we have the sales map, and below that we have the total payout, remaining amount, total sales, top 5 products. If I tap there on the down arrow for the top products, we'll be able to find the complete list of top products being sold out. The same goes for the latest orders and the recent reviews. These are the latest orders. You can also view all the orders by tapping here the view all orders. And lastly, we have the recent reviews. If I tap on that, we will find the latest reviews made by the customers for this particular vendor. Now let's go back and open the left drawer again. That was the seller dashboard. Coming to the seller profile, if I tap on that, from here you can check your shop title, contact number, VAT, tax, your shop locality, your country. You can set up a small description about your web store. Then you can choose the background color from here by tapping here on the change color, choosing the color that you want to have. You can set up your cover banner from the mobile application itself, the logo for your company. Apart from that, you can also set up your social profiles here and can activate or deactivate any one of them as required. You can set up the SEO and the meta description, the payment info, the policies, the shipping policy and the privacy policy as well, using the mobile app as well. Let's go back. Let's open the left drawer. So that was the seller profile. Now under the seller orders, here the vendor can find the complete list of orders that have been placed for their products within the marketplace store itself. So here you can see the orders out there. I can tap any of the order to check the complete details of the order. As you can see here, we can find the complete details of the order. Let's go back. Let's open this side drawer again. Then we have the attributes. So from here you can basically create the attributes by setting up the attribute code, the label, whether you want to make the attribute values as required or not. So you can make use of this toggle button. Then you can add the values. Alright, to add a new value, you can tap here in the add new value, enter the name, the view at the store, the position of the attribute itself. Lastly, you can tap here in the submit to submit your newly created attribute. Let's go back. Coming to the add new product, the marketplace vendor can add a new product by choosing the attribute set, the product type, setting up the name of the product, entering the description, the short description, the SKU, price, and the rest of the values that are required for a particular one. From here you can choose the categories where you want to have this particular product that you're going to create, the stock unit, the stock availability for the same, set up the visibility at the catalog and search pages, whether taxable or not. You can also add the related products, upsell products and the cross-sell products as well. Tap here on the add related products, and then you can choose the related products for this product that you're going to create, and tap here on the add products, and the products would be added as the related products. Same goes for the upsell products. Tap on that, tap on the add upsell products. A list would be populated. Choose the ones, tap on the add product, and the same goes for the cross-sell products. Lastly, tap the save button to save your newly created product. Let's open the side drawer. So that was how we can add a new product. Sellers can also see the complete list of products that they are having. So tapping on the seller product brings up the complete list. So here's the complete list of the seller products. So you can see the number of products are 127 for the seller. So from here he can, with the more info as well, can edit or delete any of the products. So for example, if you want to edit this, just tap on the edit, OK on the prompt, and from here you can then change the basic description of the product, the rest of the options as well, whether enabled or disabled, the stock availability, tax class, weight, images, and much more. So that was about that, and let me tap on the top left hand corner on the 3 horizontal lines that brings up this side panel here, and that was the seller products. Coming to the transaction, under this section the vendors can on the move check the payments that have been made by the marketplace admin to the vendor, and the vendor can also request a withdrawal from the admin under the transactions by tapping here in the request withdrawal button. Here you can see the total sale, the tax, the total commission for the admin, and the remaining transaction amount that needs to be sent out from the admin to the marketplace vendor. Apart from that, the vendor can view the complete details of a transaction by tapping that up, and can see whether it's paid or not, and the transaction order or the value of that particular order can also be seen. Now let's go back, and now comes the customers section. Here the marketplace vendor can find the complete list of customers here, and can see the details of the customers as well who have placed different, and total number of order counts are also visible for that particular customer under the customer list here. And let's go back now. Now apart from that, we have the invoice print template as well. So here whatever header you set up would be visible on the invoice that you will print out. So this is visible, this text would be visible there, so you can edit that up, tap on the save information, and that is good to go. So that's how easily you can make use of mobile application to do whatever you're doing on the web browser itself after logging into your marketplace web store account. So after that, we had the chat with the admin option. So from here you can enter the message to the marketplace admin, and can clarify any doubts if you have. So you can send it to the admin can respond back to you as well. Let's go back, and lastly we have the ask questions section. So from here you can ask a question to the marketplace admin by entering your subject and your query and tapping on the submit button. Now let's go back. So these were the seller account options. So this is a seller-centric mobile application for the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace system itself by Webkul. And this is the mobile application that we have created. This is the native mobile application that needs to be installed on your mobile device. It works for both the Android as well as for the iOS devices. So for the rest of the options like the preferences and preferences, you can check the user guide. I've put a link for the customer and the admin workflow there. Now under the others here we have the marketplace. Let me tap on that, and this brings up the landing page of the marketplace, having the details of the marketplace itself with the sellers, with the taste. Here you can see multiple products are being displayed. Here you have the different sellers. You have the trendy store. You can tap here and view all the way the complete list of stores within the marketplace itself, and you have some description about the marketplace as well. So this is under the others, we have this CMS page link, and then we have the privacy policy, about us, customer service, compare products, and the contact us option as well within the side panel here. And lastly, to log out, you can just tap here on the log out button to log out of the vendor's account panel. So the customers can place the orders, and then the marketplace vendors can easily check those orders under the seller order section, and from here they can view a complete detail of the order that has been placed for their products. And the marketplace vendor can process the orders from the mobile app as well. So here, as you can see, I can enter the carrier name and can set up the tracking number, and apart from that, the marketplace vendor can tap on the ship items to ship the items. Apart from that, he can also generate the credit memo by tapping in the credit memo. He can cancel the order by tapping on the cancel order. For example, if I tap here on the credit memo, a new credit memo is going to be generated for this particular order, and here we need to enter the quantity to return. We can check return to stock, and you can enter some note about the credit memo. Here you can choose to make it visible on the front end and send an email copy of the credit memo to the customer, and you can also refund the shipping if you want. Adjustment refund can be set up, and the adjustment fee can also be set up. and tapping here in the refund offline would generate the credit memo, and then later the admin can transfer the amount into the customer's account very easily as per his own requirement. So you can see that you have generated the credit memo for this particular order number 95. So if I go back and if I refresh the page now, order number 95 now says it's closed because we have generated a credit memo for the same. So that was much about the seller account options within the Magento 2 Multimedia Marketplace Mobile App by Webkul. So that was much about the Magento 2 Multimedia Marketplace mobile app for the Magento 2 platform-based marketplace stores, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do get back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul@uvidis.com, or contact us through https://www.webkul.com/contacts. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.